Hello, I'm Ken Hom. I'm going to cook for you today a stir-fry cucumber with hot spices. It's an unusual dish because it comes from Western China and it's a Sichuan dish. You take a cucumber, peel it, simply seed it, and what I do is I add a bit of salt all over the cucumber slices, cut them into fairly big slices, and then let it drain for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then rinse it in cold water, and then you're ready to stir fry. Now this is where the excitement begins and why it's so tasty. You want to heat up your wok until it's hot, add a small amount of oil, ginger, and spring onions. You start that off, wonderful aroma. Then the cucumbers. If it seems a little dry, do not add more oil. You can add a little bit of rice wine. This will keep the stir fry very, very moist. And let that cook over really very, very high heat. Don't lower the heat. Now, what I love is the addition of the Chiu Chow chili oil. I like to add a nice dollop of that because I love my dishes very spicy. And black bean garlic sauce from Ki gives a real rich flavor. A touch of sugar. Why? Because the sugar helps to balance the spices. Just a little bit of salt and pepper. I wish you could smell the spices. Absolutely wonderful. And it literally takes 2 minutes to make. When it's finished, add a touch of this Ki pure sesame oil, like that, just to finish it off. Some fresh coriander leaves. Really transforming of a humble vegetable into a unique, tasty dish. Stir-fry cucumber with hot spices, made with some of the most wonderful sauces in the world from Ki.